Hey, it's Josh and Brittany.
Good morning.
It's a little before 7. We are already on the road. It's like 75 degrees outside, and
Yes.
it's quarter to 7.
7, yeah.
But we are heading a little further out of town for some yard sales today. Somewhere we've never gone for yard sales. We're gonna hit a few along the way. So hey, come along with us, see what we can find out here. I'm gonna call this our local yard sale route. So
This will be a little more, when we get there, a little more country picking, I guess.
yeah, AKA my hometown.
Yeah.
You gonna check those?
Yeah, I'll look at them. All of the stuff that's
Uh-huh.
Appreciate it. Have a great day. Know anybody? Send them inside. I'll be here today and tomorrow. You're on a good spot. A bunch of people stuff. Oh, yeah. Those are size 10.
Size 10?
Yeah. It's just a hodgepodge.
Oh, no!
You know, 'cause you can look at a lot of this stuff and it's like, oh, on eBay like this joker here. Oh, $199, you know, and I'm like, you know what? I paid $25 for it at the toy shop.
Right.
The one there in Colonial Heights, I forget the name of it. But anyway, I paid like 20 some odd bucks for it. And I figured, you know what? It's just sitting up on a shelf since the day I got it back in 2000 something, you know.
Here.
Little toys and stuff.
Yes.
Like that, and there was, I just don't really know what I'm looking at with some of this stuff.
Well, he got stuff because it was motorcycle.
Yeah, maybe it. And it's a little, like, choopy choop.
McDonald's.
Yeah.
This would have had a zip cord. Nah. Some wrestlers.
Had something in this trunk, like, I thought it was a comic or.
Oh, those are cool. Ghost
Yeah, that's
Rider.
one that I saw, but I don't know who that is, but.
It's Ghost Rider.
Alright.
Alright, first stop. It's kind of like getting the first yard sale jitters out because it wasn't much to pick up. We got these two little motorcycle riding toys, Ghost Rider and Leonardo in the samurai suit. These won't go for a ton, but we paid 50 cents a piece. So maybe on Whatnot, or maybe make $10.
Be done with it.
What you want on these two?
Buck for both of them.
All right. There you go, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Know anybody? Tell them to come on by. We'll be here today and tomorrow.
Oh, definitely will. How you doing? Kind of salad mustard.
Babysit.
Just one of those brown glass
Yeah.
pots. Sears and Roebuck.
Have you got a GoPro or one?
Yeah. Yeah.
For what?
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, don't put me on.
No, no, you're good. I try to show the stuff, you know.
Okay, get up here and show these snow babies.
Yeah. I saw those in the listing. I was like,
$1 a piece they're going for now, okay?
I know, they're just not
Not your thing?
me, yeah.
You don't know anybody?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay, here's another way you do it. I cannot believe the moon around today. We got a couch, a TV stand, and a coffee table.
Inside, and we do have a bedroom suite. Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's big. Yeah, if you want to go in, just holler. I'll take you in. Yeah, it's a very. You might saw that picture too of the bedroom side. That was out there.
We picked up this Department 56 animated skating pond, only $2. We haven't checked it to see if all the parts and pieces are there, but the skating rink itself sells for just $20, but if it's totally complete, we should be able to get $35 to $40 out of this.
I'll give you 2 for that.
Okay.
There you go.
You want me to hold it for you while you keep looking?
Oh, no. Thank you. The animated pond.
Yeah. Oh, Department 56 too.
Okay.
Supposedly, if you can find baby powder with talc, it does good.
Okay.
This I picked up some baby powder thanks to Thrift to Travel on Instagram. She does a lot of like health and beauty reselling and stuff, and baby powder with talc in it does well, apparently. I don't know if they don't make it with that anymore, but this was only $1 and we already have it listed for $40 free shipping.
Oh, you could just give it to her. That's fine. She's plugged in. She's plugged in. Thank you.
So when's the big day?
July 7th.
Okay, so the video's not over. We still have probably our best yard sale haul, but we know technology. The GoPro put this on time-lapse, so we made this the best we possibly could. So we want to introduce you to a yard sale video from the 1920s or 30s. Be sure to enjoy, but wait till you see what we found at this big church yard sale. Okay, so they saw the 1920s video, but there was one thing they didn't even see in the video because we do want to cover the entire haul. Show them that first thing that we actually picked up after these shoes.
Yes, so this here, it's a new in the box Scentsy Warmer Country Born. It's like a cowboy hat. She had $25 on it, and we asked if she would take 20. She was willing to take 20 because comps on this are looking to be about 75, 80. So we were much more comfortable at $20 for one brand new in the box. So that was really great fun.
But they want to hear about the shoes.
You guys are here for the shoes. I know. So what really drew us to the table is we were super excited to see Hoka's because for us, we don't find them out very much.
And we were 30 minutes south of any major city.
Yes.
So the fact that you find Hoka's in the country.
Yes, was exciting. And they're in really good shape overall. They do have like some treadwear, but for Hoka's, I mean, they could be so much worse than this and you're still going to get good money. So we already have these up and listed for $48, but sitting right next to those.
Dun, dun, dun.
If you don't know about Rothy's, please commit that to memory. They had these sitting there. I was super excited to see them.
Yeah,
one of the first things that you want to check is take out the insoles and where, I don't know if we can get close enough, but where they're made, you want them to say made in China, not made in USA. If they're made in USA, that means they're fake. So Rothy's, hands down, any pair that you find, like you can probably get a minimum of about $60 per pair. So when she had $20 marked on these, I was like, even if she's not willing to negotiate, that's a deal. But these I have listed at $80 plus shipping.
I think it has 2 watchers on it
I think
already.
they have 2 watchers.
But tell them about these. Tell them about these.
I am super duper excited about these because again, minimum, you know, they're going to go for $60. So you're like, woohoo, I got to score 2 Rothy's at one table at a church sale. That's a great day.
And hold on, just show them before you tell them. We paid $20 and $40 for all this.
$40 for
so
these
we were
3 pairs of shoes.
$60 invested.
Yes. But there are certain Rothy's that are really sought after and discontinued, and these happen to be one of those pairs. These are like the jelly bean, Kelly Green Rothy's that are discontinued, no longer made, and have already sold on Poshmark for $200. This is actually my second pair of Rothy's that I've found that have been discontinued and sold for $200 in less than 24 hours.
Yeah.
Super duper exciting. I love finding them, period, because you don't find them all the time. And to find a pair that's worth $200 literally makes the entire day worth it because the entire haul is paid for. I also just wanted to take a second to say thank you. A couple videos ago, we shared a link to our baby registry, and we actually have had a couple of gifts come in already. I haven't opened them yet. I'm super excited to open them and share them with you guys. I just can't believe that anybody would even really want to send anything to us, to people that, you know, that we haven't even been able to meet yet. But we will get into that in a couple of videos. I just wanted to let you guys know that some of that stuff is coming in and I'm super excited about it. And I just wanted to extend a great big thank you. So be on the lookout for that here soon.
All right, so there we have it. Thank you guys, along with my wife, for sending those things in. Just stay tuned. They will be in a video. We want to open these with you guys because you guys have been so supportive. But this is only one part of an incredible yard sale day, so be on the lookout for another video because this was just going to a new territory, a new town, and the other one we're on the way back home. So we're going to show you what else you can find worth hundreds more dollars at the end of the day. We hit up a bunch at 11 and 12 o'clock and still found some really good stuff. But hey, from me and my wife, thank you guys so much for the support. Be sure to give this video a like. You know where that button is. You can find it. And subscribe if you haven't already. We've seen like 50 to 60% of the people that are watching our videos haven't hit that subscribe button. And it does help us out a ton. But as we say in every single video, make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. And we'll see ya on the next video. Bye.